and Shop the Boss. Welcome everybody. Make sure y'all are hitting everybody with a fave, all reds, all green, all yellows. Smurfs. Smurfettes?
Oh, sweetie, the legend is
Work with me. Now in the box, guys, make sure y'all are hitting Lockwave with a fave. Make sure y'all hit him with a fave. He's here educating us about India. Now, what are some of the languages that India speaks?
There are many languages. We call it Hindi as a main national language, but we have so many different type of language. Not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, not seven. We have more than 20 different type of languages in India. So if you go to every state has every different language. Like if you go to Mumbai, there is a Marathi. If you go to Andhra, there is a Telugu.
What's the main language?
Main language is Hindi. Everyone can speak Hindi. Hindi is our main language.
Awesome. So can you teach us how do you say hello in India? In that language.
Hello. Actually, there is a we call hello as hello in Hindi.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
In Hindi, what are you doing means क्या कर रहे हो? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? If you want to give respect, आप क्या कर रहे हो?
And where are you from? Where are you from?
आप कहाँ से हो?
How long have you been here?
आप इधर कितने समय से हो?
What do you have plans for tonight?
आज रात का प्लान्स आज रात का क्या प्रोग्राम plans means wait a second, let me think. guys, I'm from south of India. We speak Telugu, okay guys? So I know Hindi very well, but some of the words I forget sometimes. I have short-term memory loss, guys. That's why.
Now, if you're just joining us again, welcome to Yard and Abroad. Make sure y'all are hitting Lockwave with a fave. Now, Lockwave, before you go, is there as an individual, what inspires you? What inspires you?
In what? In tag?
No, overall, what inspires you?
What inspires me is the kindness of the people, If some people shows love like Heke, some people shows love like you, all of a sudden, that inspires me so much. If some people give me something, if you give me $100, I'm going to poor, I'm going to give them $10, that inspires me a lot. Helping poor makes you a good person. That inspires me.
Awesome. And if there is something that you would change about yourself, what would it be?
Change about myself, like I want to become rich from poor.
Awesome. Now we want to thank you so much, Lockwave, for coming. It was really, guys, make sure y'all hit Lockwave with a PM representing India.
Sweetie, the legend, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It's our next guest. But thank you so much, Lockwave, for coming. We definitely do appreciate you. If you're just joining, welcome to Yard and Abroad with K Sweetness. This is a culture show where we teach you the Jamaican culture. We teach you the Jamaican language. Not only that, we get people from around the world to come teach you their culture and their language. So far, in the top 10 gifters for this life, we have Da Baby at the top for number 1, AK, number 2, Petty, Kitty, Nico, Miss Coco Ma, Boss Lady, Sewing Royalty, Mass Speeches, and Lockwave in top 10. Now, we want to thank you, everyone, for being here so far. So far, we appreciate everybody that is here, right? Now, the next person will make come at the box. You see this man now? This man said watch everybody on Instagram, right? That's how I'm telling me. I mean, take what him said. He definitely do watch everybody from Instagram. He might not come on your stream regular, but him watch you. And him a watch you, and you don't know say him a watch you. Right? Now, I met him when I just started streaming. We used to verse a whole lot. So he's someone that I actually admire. I call him the godfather of my son. His name is Kmar. And from the very first day I met Yogi, he adopted my child virtually. So each time I verse Yogi, he asks me for Kmar. Every time I verse Yogi, he asks me for Kmar. If Yogi is doing something for me right now, he says he's doing it for Kmar. Mind you guys, Yogi is all the way in Saudi Arabia and Kmar is in Jamaica. And Yogi loves my 4-year-old son dearly, dearly. Now let me do a little introduction now. Yogi is the newly appointed, just last week, I think it was last week, newly appointed, or 2 weeks ago, newly appointed top badge. He's one of the humblest individual on this app. He's not fussy. Yes, he might cuss you out sometime, but he's really humble and he stays in his lane. Coming to the box, top badge. Him want me say top badge because him proud and top badge. Him say me not put it on the something say him come him a top badge. So coming to the box right now, Mr. Extra himself, Mr. Starter, yeah. Yogi! Top badge, balls in face. Balls in face.
Not the word. I mean, thank you so much. I mean, so much.
Welcome, Yogi. Top badge, Yogi. You know what I have to say. I have to fix it up. Make us fix it up. Welcome to the live. Top badge, Yogi.
What's good?
I'm very proud of you. I'm very happy for you. Yogi, before we kick things off, go ahead and introduce yourself for those who don't know you. Let them know who you are, of how often you stream, how long you've been here, and what you are on this app.
Guys, what's up? My name is Yogi and I came from the Saudi Arab. And I'm a comedian, joker, clowny, whatever you want to say, guys. I'm Yogi. I'm a yoga master. And I love to do verses and new people and network. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm one of crazy guy on this app. That part. Yeah. So, that's it, guys.
Yogi, so you're representing Saudi Arabia, right? What time is it right now in Saudi Arabia?
4 a.m. 4:41 a.m.
4:41 a.m. So La Cueve is 6:41 or 7 something, and Yogi is 4:41. Wanna make sure no fear Yogi, you know. But you see the team of Yogi in Bleach Fire, so the time don't really matter to him. It don't really matter because Yogi is always here, right? So Yogi, tell me, right?
Ask me, go ahead.
What makes you who you are as an individual? What makes you different from everybody else?
What make me different for everybody else? Like, because I was doing something like, you already know that I'm doing different things like yoga, like something like that nobody can do that. Like, I'm going to show you the shot, okay? Like, I'm going to show you some shot like that. Guys, okay, don't try that at home, okay? Okay. You guys, I'm going to show you why I'm different like others, okay, guys? Okay, watch this, guys, and don't try that at home. Okay, you ready?
Yogi put him foot behind the net back. Guys, make sure no feet right
Next
Yeah,
question.
next question, Yogi. Tell me. Tell me. Tell us something about you before we get into Saudi Arabia, which is a very interesting country. Tell us something about you that nobody else knows on the app, that you have never shared on the app.
No, nobody know that, like something like that. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for the love. I really appreciate you guys who showing me love. Thank you, beautiful ladies. Ooh la la, mamacita. Thank you. So, guys, I'm okay, guys. This nobody know like I'm gonna tell you, guys. I'm the originally like I'm Pakistani boy and Arabic boy, so I'm mixed. So nobody know that this top is presented by Pakistan and Saudi Arab. Okay, I Pakistan, guys. Pakistan. You know that I'm Pakistani boy?
No, we never know. Paki boy. Yeah, you're a Paki boy representing Pakistan.
Yes, sir. Like I born here on Makkah, Saudi Arab. Okay, I don't tell on the app. When I do verses, then I tell them I'm from India, I'm from Egypt, I'm from Afghanistan, Morocco, Kenya, Algeria.
Right. So tell me, so you're representing Saudi Arabia right now. So tell me, what makes Saudi Arabia? Like, what makes it different? What makes it different from every other country?
Okay. Like it's different. Like I'm on city piece of Makkah. Like city. Like here, too much peace. Like here, relationship. Okay, girlfriend and boyfriend. Like not allowed in my country. You feel me? Like. They can do that, but it's not allowed, okay? If they will catch you, okay? I'm telling you that. They will cut your hair though, like it's not allowed, so.
Only no anky panky. No.
Only you wanna do hanky panky, go do a marriage. Nikah.
So is it that it doesn't happen or it happened but they don't get caught or what?
I don't know about that. It's, the people there. Okay, the people they did that. I think I wanna tell you on the short. They are no more on this. You have to watch the. Okay, you have to watch the news. Okay, watch the news and watch that. Okay, that what is going on over here. So keep in the face. Okay, with that 2 fingers. Peace. Don't do that. Or do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Nah, hell no. Okay, next question.
What are some of the natural resources that are found in Saudi Arabia?
What do you mean? Like say again?
Yeah, what are some of the resources that are found in Saudi Arabia that is not in any other country? Like on my country, like so many people coming on this country because here that is the biggest country of Muslim country on that my country. Like people came here for Makkah, people came here for Medina. So Makkah and Medina, if you Google it, like it is the peace place. They came here to spend lots of money and to came here to see Kaaba and pray for Allah. So you can find those things like Makkah and Medina. You can Google it, check it. Check 1, 2. Wow. Check 1, 2. And I heard you guys have oil and skyscrapers and those type of things. Oil everywhere. Oil in Israel, oil is Saudi Arab, oil in Dubai. So oil is everywhere. I was talking about Makkah and Medina. People are watching, they understand what I'm talking about. They understand. What are some places that you would recommend as a tourist coming into your country? Guys, come to my country and visit the Jeddah, that the beach, beautiful beach, and come to Makkah and see the Kaaba. This make you feel so happy, guys. When I enter there, I will feel so much peace and I'm always happy. So you have to come one time at Saudi Arabia. And do you guys have a special holiday that you celebrate every time?
Yeah,
Like,
it's after. You see that fasting is called Ramadan. Okay, guys, like Ramadan, people fasting for 13 days. And then after 13 days, that Eid coming. Okay, Eid called like a holiday for 3 days. Okay, like they are enjoying, they are going to go. That's called Eid. You feel me? Eid. So it is.
if you're just joining us, welcome to Yard and Abroad with K Sweetness. This is a culture show. We teach you the Jamaican culture, the Jamaican language, but we get other people from around the world to come teach you them culture and them language. So far, the top 10 gifters in the box, in the live right now. We have Boss Lady leading at the top. We have Da Baby, AK, MFN Solo Queen. We have Hetty, Kitty, Tag, Nico, Kokoma, and Lakwe. Welcome everybody. If you're just joining us, make sure y'all hit the newly top badge, Yogi, representing Saudi Arabia. Right now, he is known for his humor as well, guys. So he's a very, very, very fun guy. So Yogi, what are some of the most important jobs that are what is considered as a good job in Saudi Arabia?
Like a good job, it's too many job. Like you can work on the good job. Like you can sell the zamzam is good job. You can sell the tamur is good job. You can be a travel man. Like you can travel is good job. Like you can do anything. It's very good job.
And do you guys have special dressing? Do you have a special dress code?
Yeah, we have. Okay, we have shumak. Wear my shumak. Like shumak and top. We have, like, you can call shumak and top. Like Arabic, like they're going to putting like this. Like hold down 1 second.
That's a dress. If you have ever been to a gunny game with Yogi, you will see him in his long robe, and he also wears that thing. Right?
Okay, that's
so like, Saudi Arabia is like a desert, right? It's like a deserted area.
Yeah, they eat the desert also.
What are some of the most common foods that you will find, and fruits? The most common fruits and the most common, like the dish. What's your national dish?
The food. Okay, the food is Ruz Mandi, Ruz Bukhari, Al-Bake. Guys, you come over here and just eat one time Al-Bake. You're going to forget the KFC. You're going to forget the McDonald's. Like, come over here in Saudi Arabia. Guys, change my name if you are going to eat the Al-Bake. You're going to forget the other food, guys. Come over here and eat the food. One time Al-Bake, guys. Like, Al-Bake is A1, guys.
And what languages do you speak, Yogi?
I speak so many languages.
No, Saudi Arabia. The main focus.
Hello Allah, حياك الله, كيف حالك, أخبارك, كيف أمورك? Nobody going to understand if I'm going to speak. So,
can I ask you some basic questions in your language? Can you just answer that part?
Oh, this is Arabic boy. He giving you a number. يلا أنا أتكلم, يلا ياهو, أنا أتكلم معك. He giving you a number. He want to talk with you.
No,
guys,
how do you say have
a she's on my show, guys. Make sure to favorite this lady. Yogi is your.
If you're just joining us, welcome to Yard and Abroad with K Sweetness. Now make sure y'all are hitting the newly top badge. You know, top badge is important to Yogi. Make sure y'all are faving Yogi 786. Make sure to put the 8.
Yeah, my family 786, guys.
Make sure y'all fave Yogi if you've not yet faved him. Fave all the reds, the green, the yellow. Smurf, lead in the box. I'll pick up the top 10 gifters them so far because them a lead. Boss Lady, Da Baby, AK, Solo, Petty, Kitty, Tag, Nico, Konkoma, Lakwave. Big up on yourself. When I lead the chat. Now, Yogi, if I should be coming to your country, what are some of the things that I need to know before I come there?
Yeah, you have to wear the hijab. You have to wear the hijab. You have to wear the hijab. Like, not ooh la la. No. You have to close your body if you came here. Okay,
So we
on my
can't dress
country.
like this? We can't dress like this?
No. It's not. No. They don't allow you. You have to close your body. You came on the peace country. So it's respect. Like every woman coming on my country, they are cover their body on the hijab. You have to go with it. You have to.
And what are some of the places that we should avoid if we come to your country?
Yeah, you have to go Jeddah. Okay, Jeddah is like.
Avoid.
Like, yes.
What are the do not go places? We're not supposed to go.
Okay. Like no. Okay. I understand now. Like you don't have to go. I think you don't have to go.
We shouldn't go. We should avoid
You don't have to go. But you don't have to go over there because of jinnat, like ghost. You know ghost, like zombies, evil, like jinn, like this.
What do you like about your country? What do you like about your country, Yogi?
I love my country.
What will we like as a tourist coming into your country? What would we love about your country?
I mean, I told you have to come one time at the Haram to see Kaaba. I love it. I never want to leave this country from my heart. Like, just come one time. You will know what is the Saudi Arab. Ask from the Ghani. Ghani came over here. Like, ask from the Ghani.
Have you ever traveled before? Have you ever traveled from your country? Have you ever traveled outside of your country before?
No. But I have to go to America and do some hanky-panky. But honest, that you have to be honest.
What you say, Yogi? Yeah, I have to go to America so you can do some hanky panky.
Yeah, WWE.
What are some of the countries that you would really like to visit?
I want to go to Philippines, Kashmir. I want to see Pakistan also. Like I want to visit. Like I want to travel soon. I'm gonna travel.
So if you should choose money, what would you choose? Money or happiness?
You see that? Okay, I mean, some people saying when you have a money, then happiness is coming. But if you don't have no money, that happiness also coming because your mom, your family with you every time. So don't think about the money. Money going to coming with the right time. So don't worry about the money. Money is not everything. Happiness is everything. But if you don't have money, how do you? That point also, you have to think about that also.
Yes, right. And so do you believe? All right. So do you, as an individual, speaking freely on this app, do you support the whole thing where you can hanky-panky in your country? Do you support it?
I mean, you need to relax, okay? Change the topic. She's asking about hanky-panky. I think the way I was watching her story at the early...
There is a rule in your country where you can't hanky-panky. We can't use hanky-panky. It's a safe word.
No. It's safe word. Like hanky-panky is very easy word. Like you can say about hanky-panky. If you're going to use the other word, it's going to be dirty. Like I mean, if you're going to ask, can I do hanky panky, then she going to give you a smile, okay? If you're going to ask same question like that, she going to slap on your face and then start with the BS. Oh,
Yogi.
you crazy. Guys, make
So,
sure to favorite
yeah.
that lady.
So if there's something about you, what if you could change something about you, what would you change and why?
I mean, right now I was thinking just one thing about my hairstyle. And my look and nothing. I don't want to change nothing. But I'm gonna talk about some gift around my board. I want to change it.
And what is two things that you are most proud of as an individual?
Like what you mean? Say again. I mean,
Proud of what makes you two specific things that makes you a proud man right now, that it's like an accomplishment.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna tell you what two things. She said two things. She don't say three things. So
Okay, three. Let's put it at three.
No. Now two things. Okay?
Three.
I'm gonna say two things. Okay.
Three.
I don't know about three things. About two things, I'm gonna tell you. When my mom and my dad talking about myself, like with the people, like with they talking about me, that feel me so much proud. When I do something for my world, like my mom is my world and my father is my hero, and they talking like you see my son, like they are talking on the call about it is like not a little thing that I become a top batch. It's big thing for me also. I become a top batch, guys. I was crying like I was so much happy, guys, so much happy. So when my father and my mother talking about me to that, like Yogi doing that, like that makes me so much proud inside. And you understand what I mean, and people understand who watching me right now.
Yes, because for me, having a featured show from in Jamaica, it's a big deal for me. It's a big deal for me to even be here, being featured by TAG. I've been a part of TAG for a long time, and to just be able to be here, be featured, it's a big deal to me. So that's why I'm always going to be celebrating, because it's really a big deal. Not everybody gets this opportunity. So once you're given such opportunity, it's a big deal. It's a big deal. So Yogi, as you are newly appointed top batch, give us some tips, right? Because sometimes people get it twisted where, a lot of us aspire to be top batch. And it's not easy. Yeah. Sometimes it's political, and sometimes it's very hard, right? What are some of the things, or some tips? Because sometimes people get it twisted. What are some tips that you would give us that are trying to be top batch?
Okay, I'm gonna tell you that. Okay, like I'm on your show. The way you are doing right now, just keep doing that. Okay, just keep doing that. One day you will be top batch. Like, don't think that what you're doing, but you're doing good. That app is watching. Everyone is watching. You are future top batch. So right now you don't have to take like some advice from me, because I see you like you are top batch, next top batch. The people is watching you. Like 300 people is watching you. So you are the top batch. You're doing good. Like you have a content. Like people say to me, Yogi, you don't have content. Blah 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 blah. I don't care. Just I have to move. So all you have to do, you see the ball, you have to put on the goal. So focus on that. And you don't need no advice. You're doing good. You are the next top batch on the future. Top batch. You feel me? That part. People came here to watch you, to see you. So it is your content. Nobody asks you what is your content.
Awesome. Guys, I'm really proud. I am proud to have Yogi in the box right now, guys. So as I tell you, he means a whole lot to my son. And my son means a whole lot
I forgot to ask that. How is your son though? Hey,
Kim or Ken?
because you
being here,
already
right?
asked
You know, this is a featured show. He gotta stay out, you know? Right, right. Well, Yogi, give us let us know where we can find you. Give us let's leave your last word with us before you go. We want to thank you very much, Yogi, for coming. We definitely
Nah. Thank you for having me. I'm very much crazy. Sometimes I was thinking too much, like streamers. I have to be honest. So guys, don't think about like streamers. Think about like about always like
yeah.
normal person. So what you said I forgot again. Like you see, man.
So let me ask you one quick question, though, Yogi.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Are you good with asking for help?
For help me, like somebody say Yogi, I have to help me, or you asking like
No,
if somebody needs help from me. If somebody needs help from me, I'm
If you
there.
need help with something, are you good with asking others to help you? Or are you afraid of what you might say?
No. If I need help, then I'm not going to go anybody door. I have to sit down and I have to watch. Like I'm going to ask from the God. Like I don't want anyone help. Like nobody can help me. Okay, don't do like I don't beg you to give me a diamond. I don't beg you to come on my stream. Like not like that. I'm not talking about you. I was telling you that I never beg. I beg
I know.
hand my like that to on the God, guys. God giving me that, and then God give me the door. He's going to show me the map, the location. Like never.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Yogi, for coming. I really, really do appreciate you for taking time out of your sleep.
It's still stream time. I mean, no, guys, I have to say thank you to this lady who inviting me. I really appreciate that I am one of on your part. Like right now, my video is recording. Hi viewers, thank you for watching me on the YouTube or IG. Thank you. I mean, thank you, love, for inviting me. I really appreciate you. I'm speechless. Just I have to say thank you, shukran, dhanyawad, shukriya, and sana all. Thank you. That's all I have to say.
Thank you, Yogi, guys. Make sure you check out Yogi.
Guys. This